but I got stopped out. And I tried to go short it again. I got stopped out. I know it was an idiotic short. You know, you don't short a strong stock. All right, guys, good morning. Andrew doing a quick recap. I had a pretty good day. I came actually late and I did a couple of trades and I have to run to the airport. So it was a pretty good day for me. Yesterday, I just give you an information about the yesterday. Yesterday, I messed up trading. It was a really, really bad day. I know there was some comments that what kind of trading is that and what are you trying to teach? That was an example of do not trade like that. That was, and I'm a human, you know, sometimes you make mistakes and you get frozen. Like what's the call that deer in the headlamp. So
Brain
it's
freeze.
just
Yeah.
exactly. So that was a mistake. I'm not saying that that's a way of trading. That was actually I confessed that was bad. So anyway, that was about yesterday. So today I kept a little bit of car short yesterday because I did trade it again after the morning session. I did keep a little bit of short, like 200 shares, and I covered some of it, and I think it still has the room to go down. So in terms of that, so yeah, I mean, it's probably gonna go down because that I don't expect this one to go back up, but anyways, my average is at 412, so that's good. But regardless, AMC was the trade of the day for me, and BBBY. AMC gapped up like 8%, and I don't know, for some reason I made a really big mistake on it, shorting it. You know, it was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup, really amazing. I just didn't get it, and then it closed as a doji. I thought that might break down and go down like BBBY right now, but I got stopped out, and I tried to go short it again. I got stopped out. I know it was an idiotic short. You know, you don't short a strong stock 8% above the VWAP. If it loses the VWAP, possibly you can go. And then the volume came in, popped up. I went long at 41.88, added more, and then we blew through all the way up near 43. So I sold, and then suddenly a huge drop came in, and I got it stopped out almost at the break even. I didn't have a lot of shares here. It seems a little bit funny. Look at how this candlestick is bouncing back. It's just, it trades really weird. See? You see this candlestick? What was that drop? And then this come back up. But you know, it is what it is. But it's definitely in play. So I mean, definitely never really lost the VWAP. So that was it. And BBBY was another trade that we did. It was gapping up. It's a meme stock. And now that the earnings season is kind of tapering down, a lot of people are just back into the meme stocks. You know, there was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakdown, but again, the stock was gapping up and I didn't see it on time. You know, again, no preparation for me, but I did try to make a 5 minute opening range breakdown. So the 5 minute was at around 22.71. But again, you know, I knew that is kind of extended and any moment a pullback can happen. So I kind of went long and I slowly added, especially when it popped back up, I added more. My stop loss was essentially above 23.50 when the reverses starting happening, and it did break down toward 21.50, and I got out pretty much all at around 22.50, and that was it, I think. Yeah, these are the two trades. What did you do, Brian?
I had a couple of shorts. I had ATVI, which broke down, and then I had to cover the rest just above where I got in. I did cover some on the drop. I had some fuel cells short, and again, just it dropped, covered some, and then had to cover the rest flat. And then I had I got short LAC, L-A-C, because it always seems to sell off at the open. So that was, and then I had a big losing trade, FUTU. I thought it was going to have a continuation move higher, so I tried to buy it on that bit of a pullback, and then I added to it at the VWAP, and it broke down there, so I got out of it. But so overall, not a great day so far.
Yeah, IWM started ripping higher, so from that, and I don't have much TNA. I'm all really pretty much back to all cash. I got a really nice run on TNA, and so actually I can actually sell it. I was actually thinking of completely selling it. So yeah, other than that, well, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you soon, guys.